Welcome to the wild world of Octorhino, where knowledge and action collide. Dive deep, charge forward, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, let's unleash your inner Octorhino. Always check with professionals before making any life or financial decisions. This video is not professional help.
Our world brims with beauty, lush forests, soaring mountains, and serene lakes. Imagine soaring above it all. Feel the wind, taste the freedom. This is the magic of drone flight. But what if we could go further, beyond the familiar, into realms of fantasy? Imagine dragons in the clouds, castles in the sky. Join me, dear reader, on this epic drone journey. We will explore real and fantasy landscapes. Prepare to be amazed. Our journey begins in Iceland, land of fire and ice. Volcanoes pierce the sky, glaciers carve through valleys. The drone takes flight. We soar over geothermal pools. Steam rises, painting the air with otherworldly hues. The earth rumbles. We remember this land is alive, it breathes, it sighs, it roars. Iceland reminds us beauty exists in the wild. Our drone shifts course. We leave the real world behind. We enter the enchanted Black Forest. Sunlight struggles to penetrate the dense canopy. Shadows dance, whispering secrets to the wind. A unicorn with a silver mane gallops through the trees. Its horn catches the light, leaving a trail of stardust. The Black Forest is a place of mystery. It reminds us that magic still exists, if we know where to look. We leave the Black Forest and journey to Middle-earth. Our destination, Lothlorien. The drone captures the beauty of the elven realm. Golden leaves shimmer in the sunlight. Waterfalls cascade down moss-covered rocks. Elves move with grace, their voices like whispers on the wind. The air hums with ancient magic. Lothlorien is a place of peace and enchantment. It reminds us that beauty can be found in the most unexpected places. Section 5. Vietnamese Wonders. Ha Long Bay. We return to the real world. This time we visit Vietnam. Our destination, Ha Long Bay. Emerald waters sparkle under the sun. Thousands of limestone islands rise from the sea. Each one a work of art sculpted by time and tide. Fishermen cast their nets, their boats like dots on the water. The air is filled with the sounds of nature. Ha Long Bay is a testament to the power of nature. It reminds us that beauty can be both grand and serene. Section 6, the Ethereal Gardens of Babylon. Our drone takes us back in time. We arrive at the Hanging Gardens of Babylon. Terraces rise, covered in lush vegetation. Waterfalls cascade down, creating a symphony of sound. The air is thick with the scent of exotic flowers. We marvel at the engineering genius of this ancient wonder. The Hanging Gardens are a reminder of the power of human imagination. They remind us that we are capable of creating beauty that rivals nature itself. Section 7. Exploring the Amazon rainforest. We return to the present and journey to South America. Our destination, the Amazon rainforest. The drone takes us above the canopy. We see a sea of green stretching as far as the eye can see. Rivers snake through the forest like silver ribbons. Monkeys chatter in the trees, parrots squawk in the branches. The air is alive with the sounds of the jungle. The Amazon rainforest is a reminder of the importance of preserving our planet. It reminds us that we are part of something much larger than ourselves. Section 8. The Mystical Mountains of Pandora. Our final destination is Pandora, the world of Avatar. We soar above the Hallelujah Mountains. The drone captures their majesty. Mountains float in the air, defying gravity. Bioluminescent plants illuminate the night, creating a spectacle of light and color. We see the Na'vi, the indigenous people of Pandora, living in harmony with nature. Pandora is a reminder that our imaginations have no limits. It reminds us that anything is possible if we dare to dream. Section 9. Conclusion. Our drone journey is coming to an end. We have witnessed the beauty of both real and fantasy landscapes. From the icy plains of Iceland to the floating mountains of Pandora, we have seen the power of nature and the boundless possibilities of imagination. These landscapes inspire awe and wonder. They remind us that there is still magic in the world if we know where to look. Let us cherish and protect these places, both real and imagined, for generations to come.